Hi investors, ever heard of multi-billion dollar tax case disappearing? That happened in Vodafone India. For nearly they were locked in rupees 8500 crore tax fight, but now it's over. Before moving ahead, please check this clip where High Court has given its order.
This is the final order with respect to the Vodafone transfer pricing case at the Bombay High Court. This is to do with the 8500 crore transfer pricing case which relates to the sale of the call center business to Hutch.
Let's check what exactly happened in this case. During 2008, Vodafone India Services sold its Ahmedabad call center to Hutchison Indian Unit during restructuring. Tax authorities called it an international transactions due to call option transfers to its parent company, that is Vodafone International Holding BV. Moreover, Income Tax Department says that
this is not a domestic sale. This is an undisclosed international transaction which is not at arm's length price.
Now, the question aroused that is it really an international transaction or whether transfer pricing will be applying or not. तो इसमें वोडाफोन ने रिप्लाई किया कि कॉल सेंटर का सेल एक इंडियन कंपनी से इंडियन कंपनी के बीच में हुआ है. दिस इज़ नॉट ए क्रॉस बॉर्डर ट्रांसफ़र. फर्दर उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि अग्रीमेंट में सिर्फ पेरेंट कंपनी कंफर्मिंग पार्टी है, इसलिए ट्रांसफर ऑफ कॉल ऑप्शन हम मान नहीं सकते. The fight went on for years. Vodafone took this matter to Bombay High Court and they won. High Court agreed the transaction had no cross-border elements, so this is not an international transaction. But Indian government did not give up. They applied to the Supreme Court where case got stuck. But now recently in 2025, the big news came out. Income Tax Department has officially asked the Supreme Court to withdraw appeal against this case.